The Kenworth W900 is more than just a truck. It's a rolling legend. And today on Honest Auto Wheels, we're diving deep into why the W900 remains one of the most iconic long-haul trucks in the world. Let's start with what makes this beast so special. The W900 has a legacy that stretches back decades, and yet it still turns heads today. Its long-nosed design, stainless steel grille, and bold chrome detailing give it a commanding road presence that few trucks can match. If you see a W900 in your mirror, you know a serious machine is coming up behind you. Under the hood, this truck means business. The W900 typically comes equipped with a Cummins X15 engine capable of delivering up to 605 horsepower and an incredible 2,050 pound-feet of torque. Whether you're hauling massive loads across state lines or climbing steep grades, the W900 does it with ease and attitude. The performance isn't just about brute strength. This truck is engineered for efficiency and durability. The engine offers advanced fuel management systems, meaning you can expect more miles per gallon without sacrificing power. It's also designed to run cooler and last longer, which is exactly what every owner wants in a heavy-duty truck. Let's step inside the cab now, because this is where Kenworth really shines. The W900's interior is a perfect blend of comfort and function. You've got an ultra-roomy sleeper, premium leather seats, and real wood grain dash trims that give it a classic yet luxurious feel. The cabin is incredibly quiet too, so even after 10 hours on the road, you won't feel worn down. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, with easy-to-read gauges and a modern infotainment system that supports Bluetooth, GPS navigation, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. You can also customize your cab with optional features like a refrigerator, microwave, flat-screen TV, and even custom wood paneling or extra storage cabinets. But here's what truckers really love about the W900. It's built for drivers who take pride in their rigs. It's one of the most customizable trucks on the road. You can spec it out for raw power, high style, or maximum comfort. Whether you want an extended sleeper, extra fuel tanks, or a killer paint job, Kenworth lets you build the W900 exactly how you want it. And let's not forget, this truck holds its value like gold. The W900's resale price remains strong thanks to its reputation for reliability, performance, and that unmistakable American styling. It's a smart investment, whether you're an owner-operator or managing a fleet. Of course, no truck is perfect. The W900 is a long-nosed truck, so it's not as easy to maneuver in tight city streets or crowded docks. It also comes with a premium price tag. But ask any driver, the quality and dependability are well worth it. So, is the Kenworth W900 still a king of the road? Absolutely. It's built tough, looks amazing, and drives like a dream. If you want a truck that makes a statement and works just as hard as you do, the W900 is the one to beat. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more no-nonsense reviews of the toughest trucks on the planet. See you in the next one.